Assalamualaikum. My name is Norain Samsaraji. I would like to tackle about the graphics in visual computing. What is what is graphic in visual computing? Visual computing is a broad field in computer science that combines computer graphics, visual computing, and digital media, focusing on creating, manipulating, analyzing, and interacting with the visual information like images, videos in 3D. Amo ni pag-ianon siya 3D, ang mga amo ni pag-ianon siya 3 sa mga 3D ni like movie, videos using computational techniques, bridging art design and technique for application from movie BFX to medical imaging. Pag ganong graphics siya sa mga 3D videos like art, mag-design, like design. What are the main components of computer graphics system? A computer graphics system combines hardware and software. Bali, piaghambok na siya in mga pag-combine na siya in hardware and software siya. Biya na si mga elements ni processor, bisi mga in hardware, bisi mga CPU, GPU, for computation, memory, RAM, RAM, buffer, for storage, especially to input device, mouse, tablet for interaction, and output device, monitor, printers, and visualization. Amo ni mga components in computer system. How does visual computing differ from traditional computer graphics? Visual computing, a broad field encompassing all computer science discipline that 3D deal to image in 3D models, including traditional computer graphics, computer vision, and visualization. The key difference is the traditional computer graphics is a component of visual computing, while visual computing integrates multiple disciplines to enable comprehensive visual communication and information processing. Ang pagyanon sin traditional computer graphics sinibya na sin traditional niya discipline that deals with image 3D models, including the traditional. What are the common applications of graphics in visual computing? Graphics in visual computing has vast range of applications across numerous industries, including entertainment, engineering, medicine, education, and business. These applications range from creating immersive digital world to visualizing complex scientific data. What is the role of rendering and visualization and visual computing? Rendering and visualization are core components of visual computing, serving distinct yet complementary roles in transforming raw data in meaningful and interpretive visual formats. Amo ni ning kwansin visualization computing like interpreting visual formats. Reference Google and ChatGPT. Thank you for watching, and that's all.